We're looking at the A35 5G. Hey guys, it's Consumer Compute, and again, I have another phone through Samsung. It was introduced April 18th, 2024, and it's called the A35 5G. Comparing sizes, if we're just looking at the size of the box from the A15 5G, we're going to notice that this is a substantially bigger box. Specs wise, I guess compared to the A15, is this has 6 gigs of RAM. I think obviously it's looking like it's got a bigger display on it, and besides that I'm not too sure. Also, it has the Samsung processor, the Econos processor. Make sure that I put the description down in the video. But just looking at that, I've picked this up today at T-Mobile. And also, guys, just to let you know that I pay for this all by myself. I'm not being sponsored by anyone. I wish Samsung would sponsor me. But everything that I'm doing, I am financing myself. On that note, I do have a Patreon page. It's Consumer Compute at Patreon. Feel free to sign up either for free or right now just doing a $1 membership. Anything will help out, and I do greatly appreciate that. All right, on that note, let's get to this unboxing. So currently, you can purchase this phone at Best Buy for $399 unlocked, or you can get it where I got it, T-Mobile. If you trade in any phone as of right now, you can get that for $99, or you can finance it monthly, as I did right now. So let's look again. We're looking at the box, kind of very similar to the A15 5G box. Again, the A series got this really shiny material. It's cardboard. This one does feel a little heavier than the other phone. On that note, so let's get opening. Got that, and we'll just pull this tab here. Oop, that pull tab didn't work too well. All right, so sliding this open. All right, I can see automatically why it's a little heavier. In here, we got a box just kind of like the regular S-series phones. It's kind of stuck in there. It has a semi-ejector tool right here, and I'm assuming this must be the USB-C charging cable. Oh, and I guess it's got the manual. So we got a quick start guide. Oh, looks like we have a scan code. As well as that, the pictures. This does have a SIM card. It does have micro SD card, so that's good to know. And set up your things here. Talks about 5G and all the good stuff. All right, so I'm just gonna put this over to the side. Oh, we got it in Spanish. Got your terms and conditions. And I don't even know. All right, so I'm gonna move this here. We got our, ooh, yeah, no, we just got a regular white USB-C cable. All right, so we got pretty much the box here. It tells all the regulations. Slide that over there. We got a nice paper cloth, and just try and pull. Yeah, there we go. We're gonna pull this out nice and easily. All right, now comparing this to, like, say, the A15 5G, big thing that I can notice right here, especially with this, is that this is not plastic. This is glass. It's much shinier than the A15 5G. I'm just gonna grab the phone right here, which is the A15 5G. All right, so if we're looking at the A15 5G, it's not glossy, but it's also a plastic. You can feel it. Again, the sides are all plastic. So, and also look comparison-wise, well, that's kind of weird. The phones are the same size, but they got a bigger box. Okay, this is kind of weird. Anyway, looking at these sides, obviously both sides of the phone are a plastic. I'm just gonna move the A15 5G out of the way. A3500. All right, let's move over to here. So first deals first, we have our microphone and we have our SIM card ejector slot. Nothing on this side. We have a USB-C port. We have our first speaker, and it looks like there are two microphones right there. Looking up here, you get your earpiece just kind of hidden, and that's exactly where your speaker's there. So I'm assuming here's the power button. I'm assuming that's also a fingerprint reader. We'll find out. And a volume down and up rocker. And let this thing power on. I'm gonna move the screen. Yeah, I'm gonna move the box out of the way. Thanks again. This is Consumer Compute, and this ends the unboxing of the A35 5G. In my next video, we'll go over the full review of this phone, and if there is also a video that you should purchase it. This phone, comparing it with the A15 5G. So I'll put the links in above. Again, this is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you in my next video.